Today we will be replacing the lights on the 78 Puch Maxi Sport moped. We'll start with the headlight. To remove the screw on the bottom of the headlight. With the screw removed, pull on the lens assembly. You'll have to pull from the bottom first as there's a slight lip on the top of the light. With this assembly removed, go ahead and unclip the wires on either side of the headlight. Now we'll fold down the spring tang holding the socket assembly. With that out of the way, we'll go ahead and remove the socket assembly with the light in it. To remove the light from the socket, gently push in and twist. To reinstall, we'll go ahead and push in and gently twist the opposite way until the light locks into the socket. We'll go ahead and reinstall this back into the light assembly and fold the metal tang back into place. Now we can reattach the wires on either side of the light and install it back into the lens. To remove the tail light, we'll remove the two screws that hold the lens cover on. To remove the bulb, we'll gently push in and twist. To reinstall, we'll gently push in and twist the opposite way until the bulb locks into place. Once the bulbs have been reinstalled, we'll go ahead and reinstall the lens cover. There's a small gasket that goes around the edge to make sure everything's watertight. So reinstall this back onto the lens assembly. And now it can be screwed back on to the tail light.